If a job is worth doing, it's worth doing well. This video explains the meaning of this proverb and then tells how we can apply it to our lives to bring luck, overcome difficulties, and succeed. If a job is worth doing, it's worth doing well. This popular proverb emphasizes the importance of giving our best effort and attention to the tasks that we undertake. When we approach our work with diligence and dedication, we not only improve our chances of success, but we also cultivate a sense of pride in our accomplishments. To apply this wisdom to our lives, we must be willing to invest time, energy, and focus in the pursuits that matter most to us, whether we are pursuing a career, a hobby, or a personal goal. Each step we take should be intentionally executed with excellence. By taking this approach, we set ourselves up for success in all areas of life. Our attention to detail and commitment to quality work will bring us recognition and respect from those around us. Moreover, our sense of pride and accomplishment will fuel our motivation and empower us to tackle even the most challenging tasks with confidence. At the end of the day, if we want to live a fulfilling and purposeful life, we must approach each task we undertake with the understanding that if a job is worth doing, it's worth doing well. When we do so, we set ourselves up for greatness, and we cultivate a sense of joy and satisfaction in our work. If we consistently apply this proverb to our daily lives, we will undoubtedly see positive results. Our work will improve, our relationships will flourish, and we will become more confident and skilled in our chosen fields. By tackling each task with diligence and commitment, we will also develop a strong work ethic, which will open up new opportunities and accelerate our progress towards our goals. Remember, if a job is worth doing, it's worth doing well. It's a simple yet powerful truth that can transform our lives in countless ways. So let's embrace it and start living our best lives today. If we consistently apply the principle of, if a job is worth doing, it's worth doing well to our daily lives, we will begin to see the benefits. Our work will become more fulfilling, our relationships more meaningful, and our accomplishments more impactful. We may encounter challenges and setbacks, but with our commitment to excellence, we will persevere and ultimately achieve our goals. So let's continue to strive for greatness in all that we do. And remember that if a job is worth doing, it's worth doing well. By applying this proverb to our lives, we can achieve greater success and fulfillment. Whether we are working on a project at work, pursuing a personal goal, or simply taking care of our daily responsibilities, we should approach each task with a commitment to excellence. This means giving our best effort, paying attention to detail, and taking pride in our work. When we do so, we not only improve our chances of success, but also cultivate. If you found this video useful, please rate it highly, comment, and subscribe to the channel.